Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you exactly how to play Yellow by Coldplay using the original way. So I just made a video with the easy way with cap on the 4th fret using G chords, and you can do it like that, or you can do it exactly like they do it, where you tune down one of the strings and you use a little bit harder shapes. Okay, so I'm going to show you first of all how to tune to the E string down. So you play this note on the 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then tune that E string down until it sounds the same. So what I do is I just tap it, or you could use a tuner to do that. Okay, and then that's going to be our first chord. Let me just play. I'll zoom into the chords here if you want to be quick and figure it out. But let me just quickly play the intro for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, don't do that. But anyway, I want to show you something cool that you could do. You've probably heard that already. So and then the chorus, you're going to do this. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and star to something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so. Such a beautiful song, and these chords work together so nicely, especially here when you go to the B sus4. These two notes really clash. Listen to this, because they're right next to each other, but it really works in the song because it's like so with the other chords in between. So beautiful. And then at the end he does this. Beautiful song, beautiful song. So for the B, we've got this chord here. You could play like that, or you could use your thumb at the top. I like using my thumb because that opens this finger to do other things like play on that string. Okay, so there's a B chord. B sus4, you could play like this, or you could play like this. Whichever way you want to mute the string that you're not playing, the 5th string or the 4th string. So. You can do it, or like this. Okay, and then you could do the F sharp like this. Sorry about that. Or like this. And then the E chord you could do like this. Normal E. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. There we go. And you could put the pinky down here. like the electric guitar, mimicking that electric guitar. G sharp minor, thumb here. You could omit the thumb, but then you're gonna have to mute the top string. If you don't mute it, it sounds really bad. So you can mute it with that finger or with the thumb. At least just mute it with the thumb, that's the best way. And then later you can start playing that note with the thumb. F sharp minor, same story. Super nice song. Strumming, we got this down, down, do, and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2. Or you could do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2. Very, very cool beat there. Yeah, just go through the whole thing. Let me walk you through the different parts quickly. So the intro is just dun, dun, dun. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun. Come on, I want some fun. I'm gonna do a cover of the song. Anyway, at the end and the outro, I just want to go through that. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. Okay, cheers guys. Have a nice day. I'll see you again.